Everyone got a 2013 Ford Escape. This is how you reset the service oil life reminder. Okay, I have the car off right now. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your left foot, push it on the brake pedal, push it down all the way. Get your right foot, put it on the gas, push it all the way. Then go over to the key, turn it forward without starting the car. Once, twice, you'll see the gauge. The gauges will power up and it's gonna tell us here, service oil reset in progress. Alright, so then it will say service oil reset complete. Then you can take your foot off the gas, off the brake pedal, put your foot back on the brake pedal, start it up, and you're good to go. So yeah, it takes about, I don't know, 20 seconds for it to reset, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.